Are you putting these into like the like cursor rules or what? Where are you storing that? You just always prompting it at the start of each like droid session, or is there somewhere that you're like kind of baking it all into a kind of system prompt?
I always just write it because it depends on the exact, say, thing that I want to do. I use this top one right here when I create a new file. I don't need to say this if it's just like looking at some file that's
Got
already
you,
there.
got you.
And for the second thing right here, it's when I'm creating something new and I have a like very detailed implementation I want to add. I write, please don't update any code. First, read my code and then ask me any questions you might have to the implementation. It's the classic to make sure that the AI actually understands what you're trying to implement and that you don't waste a bunch of time for it implementing something where it actually doesn't understand what you're trying to do. And step number three is that you ask it after it has made a plan. Inside of Droid, you can use plan mode, which basically just plans out the changes before it makes them. If you ask it, is this the best approach for my software to ensure performance liability or simplicity? It's going to look through the changes and it's going to review itself and say, okay, is this actually the best approach? And that's how you, a lot of the time, can get around those patchy solutions that code sometimes does. So you want to have some, you can say, guardrails in place, some things you always write to make sure that the AI doesn't create sloppy code.